What's up guys, I'm Kevin with JcrOffroad. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install our JL rear cargo basket. So to get started, we'll be installing the mounting brackets here to the inside of this factory roll bar. It's just going to bolt in to these two threaded nut certs here. Now some of you may have a plastic trim panel that covers this up. That can simply be removed with a pry tool, get behind the edge and pop out. It's just got two little clips right through there. So to get these in, you're going to grab the provided 8mm button heads. This slant cut will kind of angle forward like you see here. Go ahead and start these button heads by hand. So then we're just going to thread these most of the way in, leave this just a little bit loose so that we have some compliance when we go to install the basket. With that one in place, we'll go install our other bracket over on the other side. Once you have both brackets in, go ahead and grab your basket. This is symmetric, so it doesn't matter which end's front or back. You can slide it right in over top of the mounts and then begin installing the 1/4-20 button heads with flange lock nuts. Once you have all of those started by hand, you can position the basket, just making sure it's centered here in the cargo area and not hard against the back of the seat, and then begin tightening these up. For the 1/4-inch hardware, you'll need a 5/32 hex, and up here on these 8mm bolts, you'll need a 5mm hex. And that's it for your JL cargo basket install. Now if you guys have any questions about this install or any other product we offer here at JcrOffroad, go ahead and reach out to us. You can give us a phone call at 269-353-1184 or email us at info@jcroffroad.com.